Well, okay. Hello to everyone out there. Hello. Hopefully, everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful day thus far. And for those who like to use the terminology, good morning. All right. So, this quick, brief video is going to be about how to remove a center console and cup holder for a second generation Cadillac Escalade. So, as you can see here, for those who are familiar with the setup, from the dashboard and the center console layout, this is a second generation, all right, from the exterior, as you can see here. Okay, this is a second generation Cadillac Escalade. And as you can see here, I've already removed the center console and cup holder, all right. And it's a pretty easy job to do. You really don't need that much to do it. And the only tools that you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, okay? And then you're going to need something to accompany it when you're applying it open. Right here, in this case, I have a Phillips screwdriver, and that's just to accompany when I gently pry open the center console here, all right? And then I just stick that in there just to sort of pry it open and open it more. Okay, so that's really all you need to have. It's a pretty simple job, and you just got to go around as you do it. You're going to have to sort of like pry it open there. Actually, you can see it right here. This is the way it's laid out when it's together, when it's in place. But being that I already have it open, this is how it's originally set up. All right, so this is a separate piece here, just to let you know that, right? So you got those there, and then you just slowly and gently go around and you pry it open right there, and then you pry it open here and right there, and then of course you're going to do it right here, and then you go to the other side and do it. All right. Now, some folks, they may suggest that you take off your center armrest here. You can if you want to, if you want to take this completely off, right? But you can actually still take this off if you want. All you got to do is just sort of slide it out here, as you can see. But if you want complete clearance, you can do that. And there's sort of like 5 screws. I don't know if you can see it here. That's under there that you may have to unscrew there to take that off. It's just a latch that's holding this in right here, as you can see. And then, of course, for that job, you're going to need this right here, which is the Phillips screwdriver. And that's all you need to do, right? So the main purpose of removing this, as for in my case, like just in case if you drop any credit cards or any kind of small gadgets down there, maybe a slim phone or something that you need to get to, that you just can't open the cigarette lighter cover to get to it. Okay, and as you can see, when you pry this open, you have access to everything down there. Of course, that's your 6-disc CD changer there. Okay, and these are your holes that your latches to this goes to. All right, you can see right here. Okay, that's where that goes to. That bad boy right in that hole there. Okay, when you put it back. Then, of course, you have these 4. Okay, that's the back of your clock there. And it goes into those 2 things there. All right. So it's basically like a snap on and snap off, but you still want to be gentle with it because you don't want to damage your center console. Okay. And just like I said before, this isn't only for just getting things that you may have dropped down in it, but you can also change your clock here if you want to, or if you want, also you can change the cigarette lighter that's inside of this thing here. For those who's familiar with the second generation Escalade, you can see the back of it here. Actually, let me see if I can lift this up here. There's it right there. You can see it. That's the cigarette lighter there. Or it could be your phone charger, what have you. And you have access to everything down there that falls between this hole right here. Okay, so that's basically how you do this job here. You know, this, like I said, it's pretty easy. You don't really have to remove this if you don't have to, if you're not changing out the whole entire center console. Okay, so you just need, once again, the flathead screwdriver, and you need this right here. Okay, if you want to do this right here, unscrew these 5 screws here. All right, so that's my little brief tutorial on how to take off your center console and cup holder for the 2nd generation Escalade. And the reason why I decided to do this video here is because, just like I said before, you know, I haven't really seen any videos concerning this right here on how to remove these things. I've seen some similar videos on how to do it, but it really didn't show, you know, what tools to use, or, you know, if you have to unscrew anything, or if you have to just apply something open. So, you know, there you have it. I decided to do my own. Hopefully that this video will be helpful to someone, just in case they're in a similar predicament as I am. And, you know, you can gather all of your things that may have falling behind this guy here. Okay, so hopefully everyone enjoyed the rest of their day, and till next time, peace.